I go to the next category of awards, it's time to announce.
हम फेलिसिटेट करना चाहेंगे अपने यंग अचीवर्स को. You see, we are talking about that insurmountable part of the earth, जिसको हासिल करते करते ना जाने कितनों ने अपनी जान गंवा दी.
But हमारे इस रायनाइट ने उसके नेमसेक को निराश नहीं किया.
There is a saying, life is a journey, onwards, one step at a time. This young achiever is not here because he has won gold medals at the national taekwondo and karate championships. He is here because he is one of a kind. Everybody's dream is to have one's name etched in the record books. But to do so 2 years in succession is no mean feat. That too at such a young age. Youngest Indian to conquer Mount Everest in 2010 at the age of 16. Youngest in the world to summit Mount Lhotse in 2011 at the age of 17.
It's been an amazing journey. It was tiring, lots of rock, lots of ice, but I'm telling you, it feels great. And to show you, so you see this? This is what you see from here. This is what it is. This is my world. And I am in love with this.
This young boy from Ryan International School, Noida, truly embodies the Ryan motto, excellence in education and all-round development. IFA is proud to felicitate Ryanite Arjun Vajpayee.
He's a real achiever. I need to compliment first his parents, his mother. It's this kind of encouragement which makes boys into heroes.
It was an amazing journey, I must say. Unfolding the national flag out there on 22nd May, 6:18 a.m. India time. I was standing on top of the Everest summit as the youngest ever person to summit Mount Everest. Indeed, a proud moment for my country and a proud moment for myself, a proud moment for my school.
From his childhood, he is at Ryan's, and he started putting his dreams into reality with the help of his mother and father. Every time he has met me, I have told him, son, whatever you do, remember, don't forget to say the prayer. And I told him, son, come back alive. And today, our son is back, breaking the world record. And that is what Ryan's encourage in each and every child. We are proud of you, Arjun.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your kind words. And thank you, ma'am. You've been a pillar of strength. Not only a pillar of strength, she's been like another mother to me. Thank you so much. Thank you.
मैं बात कर रहा हूँ अपने आरम डांस की, जो आप में और मुझ में और पूरे शाम में
तो है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो. शान या कि जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो. मन करे सो प्राण दे, जो मन करे सो प्राण ले, वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है. कृष्ण की पुकार है, ये भागवत का सार है कि युद्ध ही तो वीर का प्रमाण है. कौरवों की भीड़ हो या पांडवों का नीड़ हो, जो लड़ सका है वो ही तो महान है. जीत की हवस नहीं, किसी पे कोई वश नहीं, क्या जिंदगी है ठोकरों पे मार दो. मौत अंत है नहीं तो मौत से भी क्यों डरे, ये जाके आसमान में दहाड़ दो. आरंभ है प्रचंड बोले मस्तकों के झुंड,